Friends, hello! In this video I will tell you what you definitely need to fertilize your black currants, white currants, gooseberries or currants with right now. And this needs to be done right after flowering, when the berries have already appeared on the plant, because it is at this time that the plant maximally consumes nutrients from the soil. Lack of berries leads to small, unsweet and untasty fruit, reducing the overall enjoyment of consuming them. And if we provide the plant with all the micro and macro elements, we will increase our harvest, the harvest will be sweet, the harvest will be tasty, and also the plant will not stop growing, will grow a large green mass, and will produce a lot of new young branches, on which a large harvest will also be set for the next year. And in order to prepare such a fertilizer, I will utilize dry potassium humate. Additionally, other fertilizers containing higher levels of phosphorus and potassium and lower levels of nitrogen can be employed. This is exactly what potassium humate provides, but it is also rich in other macro and micro elements that will help the plant grow faster, increase yields and thrive. Different manufacturers have their own dosages, which you can find on the packaging, but for a universal dosage, you can take half a teaspoon per 10 liters of water. If you add potassium humate directly to 10 liters of water, it dissolves very poorly and requires approximately 10 minutes to absorb the water, then mix thoroughly before fertilizing. But to speed up the process, you can dissolve these half a teaspoon in 1 liter of warm water and then add it to 9 liters of water. Because potassium humate dissolves very easily in warm water and in smaller quantities, and we pour 5 liters of this goodness under one adult bush. If the weather is warm and sunny, in a few days you will observe how the cucumbers begin to grow successfully and the yield experiences an increase. So friends, ensure fertilization, be amazed by harvest. If you liked information, give it a like, don't forget to share with friends, also subscribe to my channel so you don't miss release of new videos. I wish you a successful day, see you in next video.